G'day guys, it's Trader Cobb here. It's the 5th of September and just sort of following up on yesterday's analysis of Bitcoin. I just want to go across a couple of the coins that I'm seeing as being relatively stable across the market. Those of you who are active in this marketplace will understand that there has been a bit of blood on the floor, and I just want to point out this is a relatively normal pullback. I'm not concerned whatsoever, and I just want to point out some of the coins that seem to be holding their value, which means there's not a great deal of people selling them, which means that it's a bit of a guess to say, but they might have some good tech behind them, just based purely on a list that I stick to and that I look at. I'm not talking about all coins, but the ones that I look at. Some of the stable ones are, again, metal. As you can see throughout the relatively normal pullback, but relatively large pullback on Bitcoin, we're seeing metal sort of holding up here with that 0.002 thousand level, holding again once more as support, metal being very stable at the minute. Another one is Ripple. Ripple hasn't really lost a great deal of ground. I mean, if you look back here, we've lost more ground before Bitcoin came off of 5,000. It's holding fairly steady at the moment, as is, where are we, Litecoin. Where are we going to get to? Where are we? Go down to LTC. Where have I got that? There it is. Litecoin, the trend, it has had a decent pullback, but the trend itself is much intact. High low, high low, higher high. Could this potentially be the higher low? Well, as you can see, this level through here is at a round number, 1.016 gazillion. Also 0.015 round number, and we can see a little bullish candle forming right now. Now, it's not considered closed yet, but it's back into that moving average buy zone where we like to see moves pop from. So Litecoin also in the mix as well. Scrolling down through, where are we? Okay, I'll just type it in, SCB. We go Coin here. I know it's one of the smaller ones, but again, you can see the consolidation has held fairly firm throughout the selling and somewhat panic across a number of coins. Coin has held strong. And the last one I want to look at is XEM, and we'll have a look at that, NEM against the Bitcoin. You can see here NEM has held fairly strong there as well. It's still holding back at this old level of support and resistance. You can see resistance here, and it's being held by that support. So that's just a number of different coins that are looking relatively strong throughout what's been a fairly tumultuous last sort of 24 to 48 hours. Bitcoin's definitely come off a bit. Keep in mind, there's a lot further that it could go. I'm not panicking at all. It's had a very strong run. It's very natural for a market to pull back. I believe this was called a crash back when it happened. It's not a crash. It's just the way markets move. Markets don't go up in a straight line forever. They need to pull back to a point of equilibrium. They need to relieve some of that buying pressure with some selling. It's called profit taking. It's very, very normal. It's seen in traditional markets every single day of the week. I'm not concerned whatsoever in this crypto space. It's just the cycle of markets. There's some potentially very good buying opportunities out there, guys, and I hope you know where to look and what to buy. See you soon. Bye.